back to my channel. Right now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Except major credit cards are reserved the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is not to enjoy the surroundings. Online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem in this hotel, contact us by commenting. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel,